Hey there, welcome back. And in the last video, we just added our spine and head and tail bones. Now we are going to add our legs to our dragon. We are in edit mode of armature, and now we will go again. I'm going to edit mode of armature, and here in the Rigify buttons in the armature properties or object data properties, you will find Rigify buttons, and there is the option to and there are different rig types you can add, but we are going to add our paw. It means the quadruped has no legs, rather they have paws, so paw like palm. So we are going to just add rear paw and add it, and then scale it to our need, and then align it to our mesh and place the bones where look better. Now add bones where they look very you think bones should be. So now I think we are I should place this bone here, or I should here. So I think I should place it here, so to connect this. Otherwise we can change it later. So now go to front mode and then press L and then select all the bones and place it to in the center of our leg, and then align these bones to hip bone, to thigh bone, to the our thigh, upper thigh. So now I think we are done, but we are going to add some fingers. For that we are not going to add fingers, we are going to just copy these bones, shift H, and then I want to show X-ray mode, and now we are just going to add our we are using bones, shift D, and then I think I should turn on screen cast key, and now why it is duplicated, and then rotate it. So now it is in the here, and now the thing to align this is very a smaller problem. So we will just try to add it, and then again I am going to keep here 3 bones and 1 for the nail. So select all of them, press S, X, 0, I think S, Y, 0, and S, Z, 0. I think we are in a mess. Y, 0. So keep I was thinking to just align these add you can see, and now we can just eye match it with our mesh, and now I am going to select all of I think okay, it's okay. We are going to just do it here, and now press L and just copy this to these bones, and now rotate to fit this to. Now we can press S, we can press press X to show, sorry, I should show you. Press S, then X, and then 0 to 0 out all the values, and then it will make it straight. So I think straight bone will not work here. Rather, we are going to just align it like our finger is coming. So I am using our, which is not our, it is the finger of dragon. Maybe dragon will get angry and will throw fire on us, but for that time there is a lot time to do so. So before that we can say our legs and our hands. So now we are going to copy, press L, and then again go to X-ray mode. You can press Alt Z, okay, and go to X-ray mode, go here and Shift D, and then R90. So now we are going to align our bones to our mesh. So here, and I think we are done, and I want to okay, so press Alt H, so to unhide all the bones, and now we are going to start parenting. It is already parented, you can see. So okay, I am thinking, what should I do now? What if we just set this its rig type to finger, and but I will not get the options. There are many limitations. I will discuss this in the later chapter. So now I think we are done. Our parenting is complete, and if we go to pose mode, edit mode, and it's done, and I am going to just symmetrize this, and this, and right click and symmetrize. So I think symmetrize work very well, and it's symmetrized. You can see thigh R, thigh L, and but there is a one thing we forgot, and that is naming. Toe L, and now we have to just make sure the namings are correct, so that after we will bind the mesh, we will have to select the bones. Otherwise it will create a problem if names will be not matched. So here we have our bone, and what we will call it, left paw, F2. Okay, I will select all them, and control F2, find and place bones, and here is final. I will find toe, replaced by left paw. So now you can see we have left paw, and now we want another left paw, and here is left paw 6. Okay, and select these two, and now we will replace all of them together. So left paw, and we are done. And again I will add name to this, so it is 1, and we want to just make it 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, 10. I think it's okay, because now we know we start from here and then go to here, from here to here. So I think it's okay. Toe dot l dot 12, l dot 12. I think why it did not change. Oh, why? Okay. And control F2 and left paw, and now we are done. Our left paw. So now the names are set correct, and these names are already set. So now we will just select them all, and then press symmetrize to symmetrize the bones, and then I think I have to align this and take this inside. So, and also I want to take these fingers a bit down here, and a small weight painting will be needed, and the small weight painting is always needed. So okay, symmetrize option, and now if we just do it now manually, we can add a bone here, but right now I am okay with that, because I don't think I will ever rig this or animate this. So we can add, we should add, because there can be there any need of this. So we are going to copy this and then scale it, and then align to our mesh visually wherever we see from, and then press and call it what it should be named. It should be named left paw. Okay, paw dot left paw dot toe dot l. So now we are done, and we are going to subdivide this into 2 bones. I think 2 bones will be enough for that thing. And now we are going to align it. Press L and then H and hide them, and then go to X-ray mode, and now you can see our bones. These bones are way from its target. So here we are going to add these bones, and as we added 1 bone for nail, we are going to also add 1 bone for this nail also. So Alt H, and then we are going to I should keep it here. I think I should keep its parenting with this bone, because this is closest bone, so it's okay, and its naming is also okay. Okay, let me check its naming. Okay, part ol dot l, and 201 and 02. It's okay. Now I am going to select all the bones, and ready check if we are selecting these bones, and then okay, press L and delete these bones, and now again select all the bones, uh, here L L L, and then press symmetrize here, and now we have symmetrized these options, but we did not set what these bones are. So now, okay, let me 1 minute. If we did not made them parent, we did not set parenting, so all I have to do is parent these things with press. So now we are press symmetry option, so it will be symmetrized. So here, and now we are going to add these two to our this bone, or make child of this bone. So spine, and press Ctrl P and keep offset. And now if we go to pose mode and go to armature properties or object data properties, and then press generate, we are good to go now. And okay, now we are going back to our mesh object mode, and then press select our mesh, and then select our generated rig, and then select Control P, and with automatic weights. Okay, done. And now we can go and check if our added legs do work properly. I guys, before checking, I am telling you we need some paint painting. Okay, weight painting, sorry. I was checking the result, you can see okay there is one thing that which is very bad, because we did not set the properties what these bones are, and neither for them. So we have to set these values before going, and I will just delete these bones and set our properties, and then again do it and check it. You can see it is just mess, and but our legs are moving. There is always a good point, and that point here is that our legs are working, and they are pretty awesome. You can see, ooh la la. So now I am going to go pose mode, and then select our generated rig, and I am going to delete. I will not because we are just adding our bones, we have to delete our okay, what is happening here? Okay, and where these are coming? So now, okay, and everything is just went back slowly. Okay, now we are going to set our let me go to mesh properties, and then delete all the groups, and now we are good to go to our mesh to our pose mode of our armature, dragon armature, and we are going to select our bones, one of bones of left paw, and we are going to set the properties which is basic super copy. So now we are going to set let me select all these, and then copy, mouse however, Control C, and then Control V, Control V. Let me see if it worked, but it did not work. Control V. Guys, right now I am not thinking. There are many there are many things we can do, but right now I am good with this, or happy with this method, doing this method. So here control V again, control V, and then control V. Guys, what I did, because I set this its rig type to basic super copy, and then took my mouse here and then selected like so. Let me show you. Control, when it will come here, you can see, and it is changing color, and then press Control C, and now you can go to bone, and the same place or somewhere here, and when it will change color, press Control V. So now basically we are done with what we did not, if we did not have set our rig type, you can see we have set rig type for all the bones, and again we are going to press Control V for that bone, and press Control V for that bone, and press Control V for that bone. And now we are just going to go to edit mode, and then select our all the bones of right arm, and we will just delete them. Okay, what is happening here? It is X-ray mirror on, and then let me check it if it set it bone. No, it did not set bone rig type to, it did not set or rig type to basic super copy. So we are just going to disable X-ray mode, and then press L, and everything we just symmetrized from the left side to right side, we are going to delete, and then delete. And now again we are going to select all the left bones of all the bones of left paw, and we will symmetrize it again, so that we will have all the necessary information. So press symmetrize, and now go to generate, and okay, and generate rig. Why they did not why it is not generating the rig? I think we are done, but it did not generated the rig. Why? What happened here? Why